YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maisha, you can call me Mimi. If you're new here, welcome. We talk about travel, vacation, food, all of that good stuff. So today we're going to be doing another hotel review. This time we're at the Hilton ROSEHALL Hotel in Montego Bay, Jamaica. I've already done a full room tour, so if you haven't seen that yet, please go ahead and check that out. You have to be very specific when you're getting your room selected, because today we're no longer talking about the room, we're just going to be talking about my general experience here at Hilton ROSEHALL in Montego Bay. So we're going to be looking at the customer service experience, the food, the grounds, and the entertainment available. So let's start with customer service, because I was really impressed with the customer service here at the Hilton ROSEHALL. Every server, every staff, they were all very polite no matter where you went on the grounds of the hotel. They were always saying good morning or good afternoon, or asking how you're doing, or holding the door for you. I thought that was very good, and I really appreciated the customer service here. Not everywhere you go you'll experience that level of customer service, so when I do have that experience, I really want to share and commend the staff as much as I can. So great job, Hilton ROSEHALL, with the customer service. I was very impressed. Now let's talk about the food and the restaurants. The variety is not that great in my opinion. There's definitely a grill, a jerk grill of course. There is an Italian restaurant where I had dinner at. I had a shrimp pasta, which was, in my opinion, okay. I also had a creme brulee for dessert, which was again okay. There's also a buffet where you can have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You know, I had the breakfast buffet, which was very good. I think that was the best meal that I had here at Hilton ROSEHALL. Lunch was not so great. I had a salad, salmon, and I don't remember what else, but I actually didn't complete my meal because maybe quarter of the way into it I started feeling sick. I don't know what it was. My salad had like olives, lettuce, mushrooms, you know, standard stuff. So I don't know what it was, but I really started to feel sick, so I didn't finish my lunch. I ended up having to get some jerk chicken and jerk pork from the jerk hut, which was actually not bad at all. There's also a coffee shop where you can get pastries, coffee of course, sandwiches, and I think yogurt. I had a mochaccino and it was okay. Room service, I must say, was not bad in terms of delivery time. They promised delivery between 35 and 45 minutes. I actually ordered at about, let's say, 10 minutes to 11 last night, and the delivery came at 11:27, so it was about 37 minutes that it took. And when they came, they were apologizing for the delay, which I thought I didn't think it was a delay at all. I think that was a reasonable time, because I've had experiences with room service before where it takes like an hour or an hour and a half for the food to get to you. So I didn't think that was bad at all. As it relates to the taste of the food, and the options that are available. Again, I think it's pretty limited. I don't know if it's because of the particular situation that we're in right now, why the menu, the room service or in-room dining menu is so limited. What they have is nachos, burgers, pizza, what else was there? Club sandwiches, fruit salad. That was it, you know. So I think it was pretty limited, the food options, as well as the food tasted okay. So in terms of ambiance, it's okay. Yeah, it's an all-inclusive resort, and it definitely has that island vibe, that chill island vibe. I'm honestly not like overly excited about it. I'm not overly impressed. It's a nice hotel. Beach is nice. There is a lazy river, there's a water park, and then of course there's a pool. It doesn't feel like anything spectacular at all, but it's a nice hotel. It's aesthetic. It has good views. You can take nice pictures here, but I just think it's okay. That's generally my opinion. You guys can let me know what you think about the Hilton ROSEHALL Montego Bay. If you've been there before, drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. So on my last night here, I was pleasantly surprised at the entertainment that was provided for us. There was a group of young dancers. So this young, vibrant, energetic dance group basically took us on a journey of Jamaica's music. So they basically danced to different types of Jamaican music, from rocksteady, ska, music from the 60s, from Bob Marley's days, and all the way to dancehall. And it was very entertaining. I really enjoyed it. It actually made me a little bit nostalgic because I used to dance. I'm a dancer, and so it was really nice to see how energetic and fun, and they really looked like they were enjoying themselves on stage, and it was very entertaining. So I really appreciated that. And then after that, there was basically an after party where they were playing music and the guests were dancing, and it was a really nice vibe. So I really enjoyed that entertainment. They also had karaoke, which I didn't end up staying for because karaoke was gonna start at about 9:30 or 10 p.m., which I think was pretty late for karaoke to start. At that time, I think people are ready to just chill and dance and really get into the after party. I don't think karaoke should be starting at 9:30 or 10 p.m., but that's just me. So I didn't stick around for karaoke. But generally, I think the entertainment was pretty good, and I really enjoyed that in my last night here. So generally, here's what I think. Customer service, I would give them a 4.5. Like I said, I was really impressed with the staff here. Food, I would give a 3. It really was nothing too spectacular. The grounds, the property, the aesthetics, the ambiance, I would also give a 3. And entertainment, I'll give a 3.5. I really appreciated the dance performance, but 3.5 is where I'll leave it. So overall, I would give the Hilton ROSEHALL Montego Bay a 3.5 rating. That's basically an average of all the ratings. And I never try to be too critical of these experiences, but I really want to give you my honest opinion. What I will say is that definitely visit Hilton Rosehall Montego Bay and see what experience you have. Let me know in the comments, you know, if you agree with my ratings or if you had the same experience as me. Great customer service, okay food, okay ambiance, and 3.5 rating entertainment. Let me know what you think. So overall, I had a good time here. I really enjoyed myself. Like I mentioned in my previous hotel review of the Ocean Coral Spring in Trelawney, Jamaica, I think it's really up to you to make the best of, you know, the experience. So I was able to enjoy myself, and I do think that you will be able to have a good time here as well. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative, and I hope it helps you to make your decision as to whether or not you want to visit the Hilton Rosehall in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, please subscribe to my channel. It really supports me and I really appreciate it. Go ahead and check out my other hotel and room tour reviews, and take care. Because today we're just going to be talking about my... Really? Bird? Don't do that. Leave. Christ.